Today, first of all, the 2-to-1 breathing technique is a simple yet effective way to reduce stress and calm your mind and body. And I will tell you how to do it. Find yourself a comfortable sitting position and close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose, counting to 4. Hold your breath, counting to 2. Exhale slowly through your mouth, counting to 8. Repeat the cycle for 5 to 10 minutes, or until you feel comfortable and calm. This technique helps to slow your breathing, increase oxygen uptake, and activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for promoting relaxation and reducing stress. The 2-to-1 ratio of exhale to inhale also helps to slow your heart rate and calm your mind. With regular practice, the 2-to-1 breathing technique will be a powerful tool in your daily life to reduce stress and anxiety. Breathing techniques are a powerful tool to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Here are 4 other ways to reduce stress with breathing techniques. 1. Deep breathing. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Take a deep breath in through your nose, fill your lungs with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Focus on your breathing, and try to breathe slowly and deeply for a few minutes. 2. Counted breaths. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 4, and exhale for a count of 6. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes, focusing on your breath and counting. 3. Alternate nostril breathing. Sit in a comfortable position, and close your eyes. Put your right thumb in your right nostril, and inhale through your left nostril. Then, close your left nostril with your fingers, and exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril, then close and exhale through your left nostril. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes. 4. Box breathing. Breathe deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 4, exhale slowly through your mouth to 4, and hold your breath for a count of 4. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes. These breathing techniques can help reduce stress by calming your mind and body, reducing anxiety, and promoting relaxation. With regular practice, breathing techniques will become a powerful tool for managing stress in your daily life. Additionally, here are some other tips to maximize the benefits of breathing techniques for stress reduction. Practice breathing techniques regularly. Incorporate breathing techniques into your daily routine to help manage stress and promote relaxation. Practice mindfulness. When practicing breathing techniques, focus your attention on your breath and try to clear your mind of distracting thoughts. Use visualization. When practicing breathing techniques, visualize a peaceful scene or place to help enhance the relaxation response. Combined with other stress reduction techniques, breathing techniques can be used in combination with other stress reduction techniques such as exercise, yoga, or meditation to maximize their benefits. Remember, breathing techniques are a simple yet powerful tool for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. With regular practice, you can learn to manage stress and improve your overall well-being. Finally, here are some other tips for maximizing the benefits of breathing techniques to reduce stress. 1. Practice breathing techniques regularly. Add breathing techniques to your daily routine to help you manage stress and promote relaxation. 2. Practice mindfulness. While practicing breathing techniques, focus your attention on your breath and try to clear your mind of distracting thoughts. 3. Use the visualization. While practicing breathing techniques, visualize a peaceful scene or place to help increase the relaxation response. 4. Combine with other stress reduction techniques. Breathing techniques can be used in conjunction with other stress reduction techniques such as exercise, yoga, or meditation to maximize their benefits. Remember, breathing techniques are a simple yet powerful tool for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. With regular practice, you can manage stress and improve your overall health. I would like to read your request or comment regarding the content of our new video. If you like our video, you support our channel. Until we meet in our new videos, stay healthy with high life change.